Hi there, Sheila and Maria here from Inbound FinTech. We're a growth agency based in London and specialise in the FinTech and the financial services sector.
And one question that always pops up from our prospects, from our clients, are what are the differences between different marketing platforms, different CRMs, and one of the most common questions is what's the difference between HubSpot and Marketo?
So we thought we'd put together a short video for you highlighting the key differentiators. So we'll kick off with number one, an all-in-one platform. So on HubSpot you can have your sales, your marketing, your service, all within the same platform, which is hugely beneficial from a business perspective. So you can see all your actions and visibility across all three hubs. It also allows you to map out the user's journey between all of the hubs. Now, if you were to do the same on Marketo, you'd have to invest heavily in different platforms. All right, so over to you for number two, Maria.
Having one source of truth for data. This is really, really important, and a lot of businesses are coming to realize that. Take, for example, a contact view in HubSpot. You can see everything that contact has experienced with your business, from marketing, sales, service. Everything is there, and there's no doubt as to what has happened or what caused issues or what actually drove that contact to a conversion. There's a lot to learn from there for marketing, for sales, and for the business as a whole. Let's just take, for example, the latest Marketing Hub Enterprise release, the multi-touch revenue attribution.
Love it.
Which is a really, really cool feature. Now, really cool. I'm not saying that you can't get a lot of this data with Marketo, but it's how you get it. And that's usually across multiple platforms.
Pretty clunky.
Yeah, and then your team kind of has to make sense of all of it. So this kind of using HubSpot kind of shortens that process and makes everything more comprehensive.
Oh, cool.
And I guess we're up to number three. Sheila?
So sales and marketing alignment. So HubSpot is a multifunctional hub. So it has sales, marketing, service, whereas Marketo is exactly what it is. It's a great marketing platform. Now with HubSpot, we've got the benefit of actually doing alignment and enablement with sales and marketing. And something we see as an agency is a huge amount of companies doing different things in sales and marketing, and there is no alignment. HubSpot makes it super easy with their attribution, their automation, reporting, everything that you can really align the strategy between sales and marketing.
Exactly. I think even putting together an SLA between marketing and sales is so much easier because it's everything is there for the teams to kind of share and see and feedback. So that's great.
And from a marketing perspective, getting that information about what sales is doing is absolutely crucial to forming that strategy. So I think pretty much HubSpot have nailed it for sales and marketing alignment. Bunch of new features. So over to you, Maria, for number...
our next point. Simplified content management. So I think what I find really cool about HubSpot is the fact that you can have all your content in one place. So it's not just landing pages how it used to be and how it still is in Marketo. Now you're in control of website pages, you can use smart content, you can play around with forms, and everyone has visibility to what's happening content-wise. And on top of that, you have your topic clusters and your pillar pages, which are all laid out in such a smart way that anyone in the business can understand what's happening from a content perspective.
It's so easy to use as well, right? Across sales and marketing, and everybody has visibility. Really important.
And on to our next point, which is point number 5.
HubSpot's community and support.
That's a big one.
So they've got a fantastic community and support infrastructure and network to support you on your journey. Every question that you could have, every topic that you want to cover, I find it's already covered. Yeah. There's an article about it, there's a support network about it. They're very passionate about helping you out on your journey, right, and covering those subjects.
Exactly. And I think what HubSpot users are doing, and I've seen this throughout my 8-9 years of working on the HubSpot platform, is everyone kind of tries to help the other. So if you have any queries and you're submitting that to the HubSpot community, someone will do their best to kind of answer your question. And those questions can actually be promoted and sent to the development team, and they might consider it and implement a feature that doesn't exist currently on HubSpot, which is I find that amazing.
They're very agile.
I haven't seen that on any other platform, like for either sales or marketing.
Second to none.
Yeah,
I don't think it's covered on Marketo.
No, that's not something that Marketo has, and I have used Marketo in the past, and it was quite tricky to get answers to some of my questions, even when reaching out to their support team. So this is something that definitely differentiates HubSpot from the rest.
So, over to number 6.
Yeah, awesome. The HubSpot ecosystem. I think this is a very important point, and I like how HubSpot is making it so easy to grow with them.
Yeah.
The ecosystem, I think, now has over 300 partners, so that means over 300 apps that you can connect with HubSpot for both marketing and sales, and it's really important, because your marketing stack is not just about HubSpot, or it's not just about Marketo or just about Salesforce. It's more than that.
I think they're making such an investment into their ecosystem, aren't they?
Yes.
They're really, it's growing all the time. Every time there's another app partner, isn't there? I can't see the same sort of trend, if I'm honest, on Marketo.
Yeah, or even Salesforce for sales. And I think we've seen the benefit of this ecosystem like times and times again. We've had pretty much all of our customers wanted to connect something.
Yes.
They wanted to integrate something, and they needed information to flow between systems. So this is definitely a huge plus that we haven't seen on Marketo or actually any other marketing platforms or sales platforms.
It's modern day marketing, right?
Yeah, it is. So this is our last point, which is the HubSpot ecosystem.
So those were our 6 key differentiators between HubSpot and Marketo. I think, to wrap it up, I think we've just it's quite obvious that HubSpot are making a huge investment into R&D and putting it back into the company to enable all types of sizes of businesses to grow better and scale with HubSpot. Whether you're a starter, medium, or an enterprise client, it's easy to grow with HubSpot.